Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So an easy way to get to an oil change or change a battery or simple getting inside here and vacuuming out salt water, any debris that's stuck or trapped in here that you may not. You just want to make sure you get it out because these things can break, and if you don't take care of it and maintain them very well, you may have problems. So what I did, I will put in the description some of the screws that you only need to take out, which are the screws around these areas. Just all of those, and simply get something to hold. As you can see, my little handy shovel here, broke it in half, and that became just enough for me to get where I need to get to. Here we go. So all you need to do is take out, that's the last screw I took out, and the other two that I took out are these two screws right here. One on top, one on bottom for the steering, and I also took out the bolt for that holds the steering into that area, as you can see it, just to make sure I didn't break or strain anything. So that came out. I didn't have to, and I also took out these three screws for the gas area, and the gas cap just falls right in there. You don't even have to take the gas cap off. So that's easy and simple as it is on this Sea-Doo 2021 Spark, and it goes for the other one as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. None of these screws came out. You don't have to take out none of those, but only the one that left the hull. There you go. You can easily change your oil, remove spark plugs, and let me get some light around here. Also, what I needed to do was to change my battery. You know, to get that black strap off can be a pain. So that's it, fellas. You can get in here, simple as that. Tilt the back up. You don't have to take the whole entire freaking thing off at all. Make sure you're safe, because this thing can come slamming down on you. So I made sure it's stuck in here and stuck there. Whatever you have, make sure it does not slide off, because this will come crashing down on you. So be safe. All right, guys.